Dolla Docta Jennifer here, and we are here with another Goodwill Bluebox unboxing because I have a problem. So I got this at the same time as the plush box. I'm filming this because I actually already sold something from the box, so I need to get this inventoried. And as you may have heard in previous videos, when I do my haul video is how I do my inventory system. As I'm editing, I put it into my inventory list. So we are here today to do that because something already sold. And like I said, I have kind of looked at the box, but I kind of then forgot about it. Sorry, my voice is dying today. So I don't 100% remember what's in here. I've already made back most of the money on it. This is the Goodwill 10 for 10, which I think is actually 10 for like $16.09 if I'm not mistaken, with tax and shipping. So it comes, depending on how many items there are, at the end I will do an average cost of goods. Usually it's just a little over $1 per item, which isn't bad. So the sale I already had is going to cover, and I will put that obviously when I show the item. It's going to cover most of the cost of the box already. So most of the stuff in here is going to be profit. Anyway, this is our box full of stuff. It's at least 10 items. Sometimes they do give us more. So we will see how many we get today. I'm just going to start with what's already sold. So it's these ugly holiday sweater socks. The Nightmare Before Christmas Disney from Nerd Block. And I think these are in like some sort of box or something like that. They are new with tags, obviously, and they are Jack, but they also have like a little Christmas flair to them. Really fun. These did sell for $15. So I get $12 and then minus cost of goods, but the whole box costs 16 something, so $12 covers a good portion of that just from one pair of socks. So I am super happy already. So the rest of it's kind of just icing on the cake. They used to have men's and women's, and now it's just 10 for 10. So I don't know if it'll be all women's or men's or a mix. These kind of look like men's. Yeah, these are men's. The brand is Blac Lacquer. They are new with tags. The price is pretty low on them. So I will probably take the price off of them. But they are just a khaki pant. Ooh. They're size 34. And are they a flat front? Yeah, they're flat front. And it's just a khaki straight leg pant. Nothing exciting. I'll throw up a comp if I find any, but they are new with tags, so that is good. There's a lot of pants here. Pants, 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 pants. I don't know why that song. Alright, well these are black, which is not my favorite. They are the Skinny Boot, White House Black Market. And I'm sorry if you hear my cat in the background. He is like having a meltdown of some sort. They're not like a, I don't know if they're supposed to be a jean. I guess they could be like a stretchy, I mean they're very stretchy. Boing, boing, boing. Sorry, it's late. Anyway, they are a button and hook closure. And they're just a nice pant, jean. If they're jean, they're more like a jegging. But they're black. I don't really like black because they're so hard to photograph. But we'll see how they do. Oh, I didn't know what size. They're size 2. So it's fine. We'll see how they do. I would expect those are probably going to sit a little bit, but we'll see. Next, something else black. These are, is it Cachet? Cachet? Oh wait, no, I'm just kidding. They're size 10. And they are just like a crop, no, or capri. I think more like a capri, but they're like a work pant, but they're a capri. So I don't know how that works exactly, but it looked like there was a stain. Is there a stain? Or is it just a light? Oh no, it looks like there's a stain of some sort. They have somewhere some pilling in the crotchular area. I probably won't get very much for these. I will have to sweater shave them, but we will see. I'll probably list them pretty low. But I also have to look up comps still. I have not looked up comps on anything. It's like a box of magic. These are Zach and Rachel, size large. And they're really pretty, flowy, wide leg pants. Yeah, I guess this is a floral. If you look at it up close, it is a floral pattern. And they're elastic waist, good condition. And they've got a tie at the waist. Is that all in good condition? Yes. They're blue and like cream white color. I like them. They're pretty. They're cute. And I don't know. I don't know if they're really in season, but it's going to be pant season soon. Pants! Pants! There's a lot of pants in this box. Here's another pair. These are INC, International Concept, size 8. I actually literally just sold an International Concept shirt right before this from a previous blue box. These are size, yeah, I already said size 8. They're like a fancy cargo type pant. They've got like little zipper details on the bottom. They're like a brownish khaki-ish. But they also have like these rhinestone details. So they're kind of cute. Yeah. They don't technically have cargo pockets, but they definitely look like cargo-y. Is that a word? Cargo-y? Come on, let's go get on the cargo-y ship. Sorry. They have zipper back pockets and again some rhinestone details. They're like a capri, I guess. Is there any more information? Nope. So got those. I don't have any of this listed except for the socks. So these I think I looked at previously. I think they're gonna have to be redonated. It is Nike. It's a size large, but I think it's kid sizing. Because they look really small for a large. And like, yeah. And I might take them to Kids Buy Sell Trade, but they do have a lot of pulls and stuff on them. I don't know if you can tell. And then the back I think had a bunch of stuff. Yeah. I think I'm probably just gonna redonate these. They've got like a bunch of like pulls and stuff. I'll probably take them to Kids Buy Sell Trade, and then if they don't take it, I will redonate those because they just have too much damage to really deal with. These are RBX, size medium. Not a brand I normally pick up. But I do like this color. They are capri. Leggings. It's hard to see the color. That's better representation of the colors. But they're really fun pattern. And they look to be in pretty good condition. Comparatively. Yeah, like no pilling in the crotchular area or anything like that. So, and the elastic still feels good. Let's see the inside. Yeah, everything looks good. So I probably won't get a ton for these. I'll probably list them for like maybe like 15, 18, something like that, and take offers. But I'll definitely get my money back. Then this is cute. This is 41 Hawthorne, which is a Stitch Fix brand. It's a size small. And I'll see if I can find the stock photo for this, because it's just a cute little blouse with like an underneath, more sheer underneath. It kind of has a v-neck, but then it has like an under thing. And then it has like a tie at the back of the neck. So it's really cute. Stretchy. Be great for work or whatever, under a blazer, by itself, any of the above. Alright, we got two more things. Alright, this is, what is this? Pen, size extra small, and it's just a purple workout tank with some fun details, like this mesh. It's a racer back. This probably won't go for a ton, but I have had good luck with random stuff that I don't think is going to do well, but then it ends up doing pretty well. It's in really good condition. So, and then lastly is Forever 21, size medium. This won't go for a ton, but I think it's really cute. It's a t-shirt, but then it has like plaid accents, which is nice for the season coming up in fall. I think it's like a black. Yeah, it's black, then with the blue and green and white plaid. So, yeah, I mean, I'm not mad at it. It's not going to make me a ton of money, but it will, I'll definitely make my money back on this box. No worries. Especially since I already sold the socks, and that is like $12 worth of the 16. So, I'm not worried about this. I'm definitely excited. There's some new brands in here that I get to try out, and we do have one item that's probably gonna be a redonate, but one out of, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 11 items total. That comes out to $1.46 an item. I'm okay with that. It's higher than my normal cost of goods at the Goodwill outlet, but in general, that's not a bad cost of goods. So I'm happy with it. I mean, on the socks, I profited like $11, so I'm really okay with that. Anyway, that was our Goodwill Bluebox for today. I wanted to get this filmed so I can send these socks out tomorrow. I know, priorities. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great night or day or whatever time this ends up coming out. I don't know when I'm going to be posting this, honestly. I have a calendar of videos that I have. Do you hear this? This is like constant. I just got back from Florida. Anyway. I hope you guys are having great sales. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I am, as I've said before, I am more of a fan of the Goodwill Bluebox versus a thredUP, just because I've made my money back on every box I've gotten so far. The denim box is probably the worst one I got. I did make my money back, but it was just barely, because there was a lot of stuff in there that was and I still got a couple of things from that box that are still for sale. But definitely the 10 for 10s have been really good to me, and I'm hoping my plush that came out maybe last week, my plush video, I I'm hoping that will be a good one as well. So we will see. You guys have a great one. Thank you for tuning in. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this type of content, and definitely hit the thumbs up button. And if you're feeling real nice, definitely buy me a coffee to help support this channel and all of these unboxings. It should be buy me a box. Anyway, I know I'm full of the dad jokes today for some reason. You guys have a good one. Remember to help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, guys.